are at Daily Baguette on Jalan Danau, Tamblingan in Sanur. It's across the road from one of the Made in Bali shops, Made in Bali. And we have both ordered an iced coffee, and I have a pain au chocolat, and for the combo was 55,000. They have obviously baguettes, and you can have them made up with ham and tomato and lettuce. They have brioche buns, they have lots of croissants, and they have the most amazing selection of cakes and little pastries inside, macarons, all sorts of things. We'll try and show you that on our way out. And what have you ordered?
I think I ordered a croissant. I forget what
It'll be a surprise.
Take two. What was it called? I got a croissant. I'm not sure if it's called a bacon croissant, but it's got egg, or they call it omelette, and you can have your choice of pork bacon or beef bacon. And that is 95,000. It's quite large. It hasn't turned up yet, and I think they're putting it on the truck as we speak to deliver it. And as Mark said, yes, everything bread related comes from this shop, and the menu is extensive, to say the least.
You can make up your own creations
and
as well.
You can make up your own creations, whatever you like, from smashed avocado through to pickled onions, I suppose, but whatever takes your fancy, really.
And my croissant is a little bit heated. Warmed my croissant up, so it's sort of melted the chocolate a little bit in the middle. And I've had a bite already. It's yummy. It's 4:30 in the afternoon, and we came from Chandidasa this morning, got here about 12 o'clock, and we didn't have lunch. So we'll have a late dinner, and here comes his croissant. Wow. Hi.
Hello, look at that. There it is. Look at the size of that. It's ginormous.
That looks wait.
As I said, it's ginormous. It is like this. My hand next to it is quite large. You'll find Daily Baguette at 188 Jalan Danau Tamblingan, and it is next to Tate Restaurant and in between Sala Bistro and Santorini Greek. So easy to find, and it's right opposite the Bali Made in Bali shops. That's a handy reference. Lots of outdoor seating. It's quite cool. There's a good breeze comes through here and makes it quite nice. We'll have a look on the inside a little bit later. It's all very well decked out on the bar with a little call button, call for the waitress, call for the bill, or cancel. Free Wi-Fi here, and you've got pepper salt and brown sugar and napkins already laid out. And just over the way from Daily Baguette is Marg's wine supply. Empty bottles. Only joking about the wine bottles.
I haven't had a wine since I got here.
No, Marg hasn't had a wine since she's been here, but you know, if she did, it would probably look like that. Inside Daily Baguette, we have a huge clock, so you can tell the time. And all spaced out very nice. Comfy chairs. Got bakehouse in there. More tables around the side here. And coming up to the front, have a fridge full of goodies. All the guys there, menu on the board, menu boards on the back. Huge coffee machine. And over here, Mark's favourite cake selection. Everything from quiches to eclairs to macarons. Meringues up there, 15,000 or 10,000. Look at those. Lollipop marshmallow, 15,000. And in the window, huge selection. We've got croissants aplenty. Hello. Menu up there for pricing. Everyone's so friendly in here. Look at that great selection of cookies. Banana cake 25,000, mini baguette olive 14,000, and a huge baguette for 20,000k. And this is Daily Baguette. There is an afternoon discount board, 25% off selected items. That's a bit of a bonus. Open 6 till 9:30. Good opening hours. And here we're showing the outside boulangerie, patisserie, artisan, and just look for the sign, Daily Baguette.